What would happen if Yellowstone suddenly erupted? Beneath Yellowstone National Park lies one of the most powerful geological systems on Earth. Deep underground, enormous chambers of magma slowly move beneath the surface. Heat rises through geysers, hot springs, and volcanic activity spread throughout the region. Most of the time, these systems remain stable, but scientists know Yellowstone is sitting above a supervolcano, capable of producing an eruption far larger than ordinary volcanic events. Today, we're exploring what could happen if Yellowstone suddenly erupted, and why supervolcanoes remain one of Earth's most terrifying natural threats. At first, warning signs would likely begin deep underground. Scientists constantly monitor Yellowstone for earthquakes, ground deformation, gas emissions, and thermal changes. Small earthquake swarms already occur regularly beneath the region. Most are harmless, but unusually intense seismic activity could signal increasing underground pressure. Another frightening possibility involves rapid magma movement. As molten rock rises closer to the surface, pressure could begin building beneath enormous areas of land. Ground levels may slowly rise. Steam systems could become unstable. New cracks and geothermal activity might appear unexpectedly. Another terrifying reality is the scale of a supervolcano eruption itself. Unlike ordinary volcanic eruptions, supervolcanoes can eject enormous amounts of ash, gas, and debris into the atmosphere. An eruption at Yellowstone could release material across huge portions of North America. Entire regions might become covered in volcanic ash. Air travel could collapse across large areas. Roads, water systems, and infrastructure could suffer severe disruption. Another disturbing consequence involves agriculture. Volcanic ash can damage crops, contaminate water supplies, and disrupt food production. If ash spread across major farming regions, supply chains could become unstable very quickly. Another frightening possibility involves climate effects. Large volcanic eruptions can inject particles high into the atmosphere where they reflect sunlight away from Earth. Scientists believe extremely large eruptions may temporarily cool global temperatures. Some researchers refer to this as volcanic winter. Another terrifying concern involves respiratory danger. Fine volcanic ash particles can damage lungs and contaminate air supplies. People far from the eruption itself could still face health risks if ash spread through the atmosphere. Another unsettling possibility involves economic disruption. Modern civilization depends heavily on transportation, communication, trade, and stable infrastructure. Large-scale disasters often create cascading effects throughout interconnected systems. Another disturbing reality is how difficult volcanic prediction becomes. Scientists can monitor warning signs, but predicting exactly when or how major eruptions might occur remains extremely difficult. Fortunately, experts emphasize that a catastrophic Yellowstone eruption is considered unlikely in the near future. But the possibility itself demonstrates how powerful Earth's geological systems truly are. Another frightening truth is that humans often underestimate natural forces. Modern civilization creates the illusion that technology controls the world. But earthquakes, volcanoes, tsunamis, and extreme weather constantly remind humanity how fragile civilization can become. Another unsettling possibility is that supervolcanoes are not unique to Yellowstone. Scientists identified other massive volcanic systems around the world capable of producing enormous eruptions under certain conditions. Earth itself remains geologically active and constantly changing beneath the surface. Another terrifying realization is how dependent humans are on environmental stability. Civilization depends heavily on predictable climate, transportation, food systems, and infrastructure. Large natural disasters can rapidly expose weaknesses modern societies rarely think about. Yet, despite these dangers, humans continue living beside powerful geological systems around the world. The truth is that Yellowstone represents one of the most powerful natural systems on Earth. And deep beneath the surface, forces beyond human control continue moving silently underground. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more difficult topics simply explained. And comment whether you think humanity is prepared for a disaster on this scale.